Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CapCut on PC, quick tip step by step clearly. To begin, download CapCut for PC from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install CapCut on your PC. After installation, open CapCut by clicking on the desktop icon or searching in the Start menu. When CapCut launches, you will see a user-friendly interface. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. Import your media files by clicking the Import button. You can also drag and drop files directly into the timeline. Once your files are imported, arrange them on the timeline as desired. To trim a clip, select it and drag the edges to your preferred length. Use the toolbar at the top to access additional editing tools. To add text, click on the text option and choose from various styles. Enter your text in the provided box and customize it according to your needs. For transitions, click the Transitions tab and drag your chosen effect between clips. Adjust the duration of the transition by clicking on it and modifying the settings. To add music, click the Audio tab and either import your own or choose from the available options. Once your edits are complete, preview your project by clicking the play button. If everything looks good, click on the export button to save your video. Select the desired resolution and format before clicking export again to finalize your video. Your video will now render and be saved to your specified location. Congratulations, you have successfully created a video using CapCut on PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.